Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will do another task from your unit 4 Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu, and we will cover the question from your page number 40. Your question A, choose the correct meaning of the underlined words. There are some sentences in which some words are underlined, and what you have to do, you have four options and you have to choose the correct option. So first statement is, it was so delicate situation, and word delicate is underlined and highlighted. You have to find out the meaning of this word from the given options. Delicate mean कोई नाजुक सिचुएशन है, कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन है कि जो बहुत ही ध्यान से आपको निपटना है, तो उसके लिए डेलिकेट का वर्ड यूज़ होता है. एंड यू हैव द ऑप्शंस डिफ़िकल्ट, ईजी, सेंसिटिव और फ्रेजाइल. Fragile, this is the word which is the correct meaning of the word delicate, and इसको highlight किया हुआ है fragile को, and you have to do it on your book. The second is, Abu Jahl began knocking at the door violently, and the word violently is highlighted, and you have to find out the meaning of this word from the given options. Politely, slowly, forcefully, angrily. Violently mean angrily, so you have to choose this option, angrily. She simply posed a counter question that infuriated Abu Jahl. The word infuriated is underlined and it is highlighted, and the given options are pleased, helped, extremely, angry, annoyingly. Infuriated mean annoyingly, किसी को बहुत ज़्यादा टीज करना, तंग करना, कि उसको गुस्सा आ जाए, and that is the meaning of this word is annoyingly. Now the next statement is, she remained steadfast and did not reveal the secret. Steadfast is underlined and highlighted, and it means साबित कदम रहना, and we have the options: patient, firm and resolute, ready to face, prepared for the worst. And the correct meaning of this word is firm and resolute. You have to highlight it on your book. Student, now we will do another task from page number 41, and it's question A. Underline abstract nouns in paragraph 4. The paragraph 4 is given in your chapter. You have to open it on your book, and you have to underline the abstract nouns from this paragraph. First of all, you will have to know that what is abstract noun. Abstract noun is the noun basically which refers to an intangible concept such as emotions, feelings, a quality or an idea. Intangible mean that do not have physical presence, that do not physically exist. तो ऐसी चीज़ें जो फिजिकली एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती हैं, किसी इमोशंस की तरफ कोई इशारा देती हैं, या फीलिंग्स हैं, या क्वालिटी का नाम है, या आइडिया का नाम है, तो दैट इज़ एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन. In paragraph 4, there are some abstract nouns that are underlined. You have to do them on your book. Now another question, question B. Form abstract nouns from the following adjectives and verbs. Use these nouns in sentences of your own. आपके पास कुछ adjectives हैं, ये nouns हैं, आपने उनके abstract nouns भी बनाने हैं, and you have to use these words in your sentences also. And ये question आपने अपनी neat copy पे करना है, और बाकी ऊपर वाला question आपने book पे करना है. तो the word and or phrases. Courageous. Courageous का abstract noun होगा courage, and sentence will be हज़रत अस्मा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु was a courageous woman, कि हज़रत अस्मा जो है बहुत ही बहादुर औरत थी, बहुत हिम्मत वाली औरत थी. Next word is empty. It means खाली, and abstract noun is emptiness. Sentence is, an empty bottle will float. जो खाली बोतल होती है वो तैरना शुरू कर देती है, वो तैरेगी, यानी एक खाली बोतल जो है वो तैरेगी. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज डिफिकल्ट, एंड एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज डिफिकल्टी. सेंटेंस इज, इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन फॉर मी टू हैंडल. ये सिचुएशन मेरे लिए हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल है, या इससे डील करना मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल है. जो आपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं वो आपके पास ये जो वर्ड्स हैं इनसे बनाने, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन से आपने सेंटेंसेस नहीं बनाने. The next word is generous. The abstract noun is generosity. हज़रत अस्मा रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हा was a very generous and open hearted. हज़रत अस्मा जो है वो बहुत ही सखी और खुले दिल वाली औरत थी. Resolute यानी कि पक्का. and the abstract noun is resolution. Here is it is just erased. You have to write it resolution. And the sentence is I have resolute faith in Allah Almighty. यानी मुझे पक्का जो है ईमान है मेरा अल्लाह ताला की ज़ात पर. Next is suffer. An abstract noun is suffering. Sentence is Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu lived a life of sufferings. मुश्किलात. हज़रत अस्मा ने एक मुश्किलात से भरी हुई ज़िंदगी गुजारी.